In this next tutorial, we'll be learning 4 new buttons: Orbit, Pan, Zoom, and Zoom Extents. Let's try Orbit first by clicking on it. Orbit allows us to move around our newly formed 3D world, from the bottom to the top and all its sides. Now let's try Pan. Pan allows us to move from left to right and up and down. Let's look at Zoom. Zoom allows us to go from out to in. Don't worry if we get too close, because the next button, by clicking on it, Zoom extends to its original formation. Let's try these again. Orbit, Pan, Zoom, and Zoom Extents. Let's now go with Orbit and look at the back of your new model. Then Zoom. And then let's try to add some new features, going back to the original tutorial with shapes. This time let's try a circle. This time I can draw on the face. And just for good measures, a rectangle. And then let's push-pull them using the extrusion tool. I can go all the way through the model until on edge appears. Or halfway in, or out to your desired length. Let's go back to the orbit and see what that's achieved. And now pan to bring it into the middle of the screen, orbit again, and we can rotate around our new features. Why don't you pause the program here to experiment with these tools?